All right, I'm going to show you how to integrate WooCommerce with Klaviyo. Really quickly though, you're going to see some references to some school communities or modules. I'll say stuff like, hey, if you want to check that out, there's a training module on that. That might seem confusing when you're watching this video. It's just because this was recorded as part of my school community. There is a link in the description down below. Basically, it's everything and everything I know about email marketing, along with weekly training classes with me, where you can ask any and all questions about email and SMS marketing. It is the best money you can spend when it comes to becoming a better email and SMS marketer. Anyway, without wasting more of your time, let's get into the video. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out, it's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community, and if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video, let's get back to it. Okay, so this is how you integrate WooCommerce with Klaviyo. Now, if you want to learn how to do Shopify, there is the previous module in the school community, so just check that one. Also, I'll have links to pretty much everything we have in the description of the school community class. So, we go into here, we go into left-hand side, we go integrations, we go explore apps, okay? We also want to have the WooCommerce marketplace opened as well. So we go dashboard, and we're going to go here. I'm going to go WooCommerce. We're going to click install. Connect to WooCommerce. Going to go add to cart. It's going to take you to the marketplace. View cart. Proceed to checkout once we see it's in there. Note it's free. Place free order. That should take you here. Click add to store. And then we install it into the store that we want to have. If you have access to multiple accounts, make sure you select the one that you're installing it to. In this case, we're installing it to my basically company website. Then we hit start using, and here we go. Now we have the plugin. So now we go and find Klaviyo. Here we go. There we go. Looks like it's integrated. Awesome. And we're going to go into our integrations. Here. Let me click reload. No, we can see it's still not here. So we're going to go Klaviyo, settings. Go to your WooCommerce. Connect to WooCommerce. And so now you can see it's putting us in a bit of a loop. So then we have to go here. Back into our settings, click marketing. Then we're going to go back into plugins, just here, and we're going to click activate on Klaviyo. My one was already activated, so I had to click reactivate here. Then we go to settings, connect account, then we approve, okay? And then, just like with Shopify, we point the list that we want our WooCommerce subscribers to go to. So when we say add marketing consent checkbox to your checkout page, right? If they consent email marketing, make sure it goes to the list that triggers the welcome series. In this case, we're just going to say email list, cool. And if we want to capture SMS, we also capture SMS list right there. And then you don't have to do this here. We go complete setup, and this should get us fully set up. And there we go, nice and done. Now everything should be being passed properly. And look, you should have the WooCommerce metric here too. Placed order, and you can see that all the metrics are being passed. That's how you integrate Klaviyo with WooCommerce.